So let's talk about using the bank account because once you're running a business, it is important to know all these things as well. So if you decide to go as a sole trader, and sole trader will be fine if you just have a plan to sell it on eBay, and once you have a plan to scale your business, you can open a limited company. But if you want to sell on Amazon and sell on other platform at the same time, opening a limited company will be the option for you as well. But let's say you just decide to go as a sole trader, you can use your personal bank account as well. HMRC will allow you to do that. I mean, at HMRC is not strict about it. But if you open a limited company, you have to have a business bank account as well because the money will belong to the business. Ideally, even if you are an eBay seller, I will suggest opening a limited company because you are serious about it and you are setting up yourself to scale in the future at the same time. So it will be important to know each and every step and getting over that hesitation from the first place. At the end of the day, it's going to cost you same money. I mean, even though you will have to submit the tax as a sole trader or as a limited company, you're going to need help from your accountant at the same time. But having a limited company will set you up for the future. It will secure you for the future and you don't have a liabilities on yourself as well. So if you decide to go for a limited company route, I would say open a bank account with Tide. This is what I personally use as well. So no, you just simply go on a Google, just open the Tide. I will normally, like, links for everything will be available inside the notes as well. So I'm just gonna go for the Tide. It's completely, it's completely online. You don't have to really, visit something. You apply everything online as well. So you start with the register a company. They can register a company for you as well, like for free. They will pay the fees, £10, which which is cost as well if you open a business bank account with them as well. So just search the name here, and just you can be a single shareholder, like, because you're the only one, you're not becoming a partner with somebody, and they will pay the £12 fees. Now it's £12, not £10. And they will send you the certification and everything at the same time. In the terms of opening a business bank account with them, I would recommend open the account with them. Start with the free business account, and you will be absolutely okay. There are pros and cons of it, but I would say even if you go for, let's say, 999 for like 1 month, including the VAT, that will be around £11, £12. So that will be absolutely fine. You can have a separate business card. All the business expenses you will be able to do it from there. And for most of the businesses, I will say you will be absolutely fine going with the free one. And if you are, let's say, you buy the stuff as well, and then your wife or your husband, they buy the stuff as well, you need an extra card, like 2 cards, then just go for this one as well. So you will get 2 cards for 9.99 at the same time. But you can just simply go with the free one, and once you open a free business account with them, here is the option. You can include opening a limited company with them at the same time, so they will register everything. You don't have to do it for yourself, and they will just simply send you the certification, the card for your account. Everything will be simply ready. So that's what I will recommend to make your life easy from there. As a sole trader, just use the account that you have already.